I will be showing you how to edit videos in CapCut as a beginner. So as you can see, this is the CapCut app. So before I will start the tutorial on how you can edit on your CapCut, I'll first show you a video. I will show you how to edit videos in CapCut from start to finish using a dunk ranking videos as our example project. So you have to watch the video from the start to ending. So I will have to show you now. So this is the ranking video which I will be using as an example on how you can edit your video on CapCut. So like I said, before you can edit that type of video, or you might be wondering how I edit that kind of video, you're going to need an app known as CapCut, which is very good for editing your ranking videos, your AI video as well. So as I told you, if you don't have it, you can either download it on Play Store, which is on Android, or App Store, which is on iPhone. So I do not have the CapCut, so I will have to download it from Play Store. So I'm going to search for CapCut, CapCut. So I'm going to install it, to click on it now. So I'm going to give it a minute to install. So the CapCut app is installing now. CapCut is already downloaded, so we can open the CapCut now. So I'm going to be opening the CapCut. So what type of content do you want to create? So I'm going to create a social media content. So I'll be using a video editing tools. So I'm going to start creating. Now I'm going to click on new video. So I'm going to allow, or you can turn on your notification, allow as well. So I go to my photos. So we want to start it. I will start showing you how you can edit your job ranking if you are into that niche, on how you can edit it on CapCut. So I'm going to be picking these dot images, which I'll be using it to show you on how you can edit your video on CapCut. So you pick the images or the video you want to use to edit. So after that, I'm going to add the media. So as you can see, my images is already on CapCut. So I'm going to be deleting the CapCut logo so that it won't affect my video. Now as you can see, the image is already set. So what you're going to do first is to check the images if they are fit in. You can see this one is not fitting, so you're going to click on it. You click on your crop, you put it in 9:16. You click on this, then you zoom it out. So as you can see, it's already fitting. You check the remaining images as well. You can see this is not fitting as well. You click in your crop, you put it in 9:16, then you zoom it out as well. Also this, zoom it out. Now, I think the images are perfect Now, so for it to be more perfect, you are going to need to add your sound. So, and how can you generate this sound? You can either use an audio, the in-system sound, or you extract from your device. So I'm going to be using this sound on the images to make it more perfect. Now, this would be my first image. Now, I think I should use a topic on top 10 most intelligent dogs in the world. So I'm going to type it top 10 most intelligent dogs breed in the world. Now, you can see the words are not showing fully, so you have to break it down by doing it this way. By doing it this way, so you're going to check it. You can see now that it's showing. So you can use your template let's use this template. You can just pick in a template. So go to your styles, go to your spacing. So you go to your line, that is, you want to separate it from each word for it to look more bold. Then after that, go to the style again, go to your bold, you press in the bold, and you can also press in to make it more format. So top 10 most intelligent dog in the world. So we've done that. Now you have to check the sound. Maybe it goes with it. Now, so you make sure that the images, the way the music flows with the images is going in the right way. So you have to move it. You are going to pull it for it to fit in with it. So now you're going to write, you already should have noted the names of these dogs in a note, so that you can just be copying and pasting the names of this dog. For example, this is Papillo. So I'm going to write 1 Papillo. So I go to my styles. You can either use this, depending on how you want it to come out bold. So I'm picking this. So that is it. Now you can see this is Rottweiler. Pick number 2, which is number 2, Rottweiler. So you can see that. So this is Labrador. Make sure everything goes in order. This is Labrador, which is number 3. This is Labrador Retriever. So you can see how it's moving. You can just click on it move it the way you like, so that you just make sure your video comes out clean. The rest Rottweiler as well, you can move it. All you just need to do is just click on it. Just make sure you click on it. So next one, this is, I'm not really sure about the name of this dog. So if you know the name, you're going to add it as, and that's how you keep adding the name of the name of those dogs on it. And when you are done adding the name of these dogs to it, you are going to make sure you stream the song to the end of the image so that the video can come out neat. So after you are done with that, you're going to click on export. Then you're going to give it a little time to export the video. So the video is already done, so you are ready to watch the video. Go back to the gallery. Now, here's the video. So I already told you that you have to put in the name of those dogs the way I did in the few images. So this German Shepherd, you have the name, and the name of the dog as well. So I hope with this you're able to learn how you can edit your images, your dog ranking images on CapCut. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.